everyone, welcome back. Let's talk about the best deals going on at Walgreens this week. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. It costs you $0 to do so. I'm going to tell you about the best deals I found, the deals I did, the ones I did that didn't go so well as all of the best grocery deals at Walgreens for this week. Now, I had a spend $30, get $10 in Walgreens Cash digital booster. I used that. There's also some promo codes that you can try out if you are doing curbside orders. So try the code WAG10. You can also try HEART15, that will take 15% off a $30 or more purchase. Or if you're spending $50 or more, try the code HEART20. I did use the code HEART15 on my curbside order today and it worked perfectly. Happy Super Bowl day, happy Valentine's week. If those things are important to you, I hope you're doing something fun to celebrate. Let's start with curbside. Okay, here's the deal you can do for curbside. This was an only for you coupon. It was an $8 coupon off a L'Oreal product. This product right here is $7.99. You can do this deal online or you can do it curbside, and that $8 coupon will come off of a $7.99 purchase. If you try to do it in store, it will not. I got a comment from apparently a Walgreens employee on my Instagram page, and she's like, this won't work. So it won't work if you try to do it in store. It will 100% work if you try to do it curbside. That $8 coupon just automatically adjusts down to $7.99. Let's say your store doesn't have this in stock. The next cheapest item were the L'Oreal Revitalift products at $9.79. So that $8 digital would make it just $1.79. So check and see if you have that coupon in your digital coupon folder. These are great to add into like a spend deal because that $8 digital coupon counts towards our spend amount. Now, another curbside you might want to check out is on the Cantu or Cantu, I don't know how you pronounce it. There is a $4 digital coupon. A couple different ways you can do this. There is a product that's in a small round, like cylindrical container. They're $2 each. You could pick up 2 of them. That $4 coupon will take off $4, making it free. My store didn't have those, so I got the deep treatment masks. $1.79 each. I picked up 2 of them. That $4 digital automatically adjusted down to the cost of the 2 of these, making them both free. Or you could snag a third one and pay just a little bit out of pocket. Now, that was curbside. This was curbside. The in-store deals. There's some good register reward deals this week, so let's talk about those. The Tresemme shampoo and conditioners are $6 each. There is a $5 digital coupon. So if we buy 2, that's $12. Minus that $5 digital, we pay $7. Getting back a $5 register reward, making it $2 for both of them, or just $1 per shampoo or conditioner. So good deal on the Tresemme. The Dove is the same deal. So you wouldn't want to do these in the same transaction. This one is one of those that didn't go as planned for me, and let me explain it. These are $4 each. You want to pick up 2 of them. I had 2 different $2 digital, so that's $4 in coupons. Paying $4, getting back a $5 register reward, making them free, and $1 moneymaker. The $5 register reward printed without any problems. However, one of my $2 digital coupons did not come off. No idea why. They had been clipped for a while. And so mine didn't come out as good as I was hoping for. I can call customer service and I'm sure they will apply it for me. Also, check your Fetch Rewards app to see if you have an offer on any of the Unilever products. I had an offer for spend 20, get 3, and both the Tresemme and the Dove tracked towards that. But you might have something like buy 2, get 75 cents, or buy 2, get $1.50. So just check your Fetch Rewards app. If you don't have the Fetch Rewards app, you can snag it with my referral code and you'll score some additional points back when you scan that first receipt. Now, there was another deal. Oh, the Crest. This is also a register reward deal, and this one worked beautifully, but I tried something out to see if it would also work, so let me explain that. These are $3 each. This is the stain eraser. I bought 4 of them. Okay, that's $12 minus a $6 digital coupon. I paid $6, got back a $6 register reward, making them all free. Now online, these showed they were qualifying for spend 15, get 5. Well, 4 at $3 is only 12. So I actually picked up a 5th one. So I would spend 15, but the $5 didn't print. So I was trying that out to see if it would work, and it did not. So the best deal is grabbing 4 of them at $3. Using that $6 digital, you pay $6, you get back a $6 register reward. Now, can you use Walgreens cash to pay for that and get the $6 register reward? Yes, you can. Okay, you can use Walgreens cash as I did, and you can get back the register reward. So no worries on that. The Tide, Bounce, Downy products are 4 for $10. I think that's a good price in and of itself, but when you start adding the promo codes for purchasing it at Curbside, makes it even better. Also, I used these as part of my spend 30, get 10. So check out if you like the Tide products, you can get them for 10. My son is dancing in the background trying to make me laugh. The Bic Soleil razors. This one was on sale for $4.39. There is a $4 digital coupon, making it just 39 cents. The Rimmel. So I saw this one a few days ago and I didn't do it. I did this morning pick up the Rimmel. Only one store in my area carries these products. They're buy one, get one half off. Okay. The cheapest one I found for the face product was $5.99. So $5.99 and $2.99. I got a powder and a bronzer. I had an older $3.50 digital coupon. So look in your saved offers and see if you have any coupons. That was the only coupon I had. I paid $5.48. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and I got $4 back on Ibotta, making it $1.48 for both, or just 74 cents each. I happened to be really close to an Ibotta bonus, so I was looking for additional Ibotta offers. Now, when I said check your digital coupons to see if you have a $3.50 digital, you might have another $2 digital, which would make these completely free. I just didn't have an additional digital coupon. There are Ibotta offers for the lip and for the eye for Rimmel products. I just didn't have any other like Walgreens coupons to use with that, so the deal wasn't good enough for me to want to purchase it for myself. Now, some of the best food deals, the trail mix is on sale for $1.78. I think that's a good price if you like trail mix. Now, this is something I've never bought at Walgreens before, but my son likes the peanut butter crackers, and it's an easy snack to take because we're always on the go. These are 2 for $2.50. Now, I know these are the smaller packages, but I pulled up my grocery store app to check like the per ounce price or the per package price if I were to buy a bigger package at my grocery store. And this actually worked out to be less expensive. So I took a $5 register reward that I had earned from a different transaction, and I used them to pay for my peanut butter crackers. So I thought that was a good deal. Now, I think that's everything I purchased. Let me tell you about some of the other deals. The Jif peanut butter is on sale, 2 for $6. I had a fetch reward offer for $1.50 back when you buy 2. So that makes it $4.50 for both, or just $2.25 each. Good price on peanut butter, especially if you're brand specific with the Jif. Just check your fetch rewards app. The Lay's potato chips are 2 for $6. Pepsi products are 3 for $13.99. Not the best price I've seen, but that makes it $4.66 each. The 7-Up, I think the ginger ale and the A&W are 3 for $14.99. Again, not the best price, but it's not a terrible price at $4.99 per pack of those sodas. The tuna, the Bumblebee tuna is on sale, 3 for $4. Ibotta has an offer for 15 cents back. So if you bought 3 of them, you'd get 45 cents back, making it 3 for $3.55 or $1.18 per can of tuna. Normally $1 or less is kind of the best price, I think, on that product. I'm sure there are other deals that I am neglecting to think of at the moment. But it's the first week where I thought there were decent like register reward deals that were worth doing. So let me know what you guys are finding down in the comments. Something else that's not Walgreens, but I wanted to share it with you. If you like going to Dave & Buster's or your kid likes going to Dave & Buster's, you can score a $20 game card for just $12.99, and I will drop that link for you down in the comment section. Now, I'm realizing I forgot to tell you how I use my spend 30, get 10. I'm not going to go through all of it like individually, but essentially I took these individual deals that I told you about and I put it together to where it was over $30. I entered the code HEART15, which took off like $2.50. I had to be at $30 after that code came off, but before all the manufacturer coupons came off. And then I got an additional $10 back for the items I bought. So I ended up paying $8 in total, including these 4 Tide. So I would have paid $8 for the Tide in and of itself. So great deal. Again, I will submit my receipt to the PG Good Everyday program if I remember, because I always forget to do that, and get some points back there as well. Hope y'all have a great week. I hope if Valentine's Day is something that's special to you, you have super fun plans. And let me know what you're buying down in the comments. Thanks.